The story of MMF really begins on 9/11. And that's when Marine Corps Systems Command asked a very important question of a group of doctors and research scientists. Is it possible to protect our men and women in uniform from the inside out? We do a great job at protecting our troops from bombs and bullets, but what about from all of those invisible threats that cause our men and women in uniform to be 4 times more likely to contract illness and disease?
After 9/11, our group of clinicians and scientists was approached by the Department of Defense to develop a program, a micronutrient program in our area of expertise that could protect our soldiers, our Marines, our sailors, our airmen from hostile environments, because it was clear after 9/11 that the country was at war. We worked very hard to develop, with congressional funding and working with the Department of Defense, and in fact working with NASA, to develop this formulation. MMF was really for the soldiers.
All of these organizations and skilled people working together ultimately availed us the creation of a supplement that in fact and indeed does protect the human body from the inside out. So when we discovered this, when we learned of MMF, learned of its existence, and learned what it does, we knew absolutely that we had something very special.
Oxidation is a normal process of metabolism in the body. It affects all cells and tissues. And this process elaborates free radicals. When free radicals are present in excess, they cause a condition called oxidative stress or oxidative damage. In combination with this problem is another culprit, and this culprit is called inflammation. Inflammation is like a blood brother to oxidative damage. They recycle each other, they work together, and you can rarely have one without the other. There's a third component to this group, and that's impairment of immune function. So when you get oxidative damage in combination with inflammation and in combination with impaired immune function, that's when the body gets into trouble.
Free radical production caused by oxidative stress. It's an issue that leads to a host of human health conditions. Just as a lead pipe left out in the rain over time will oxidize or rust, we human beings are aging and rusting because of free radicals. Free radicals attack cells, proteins in cells, lipids and membranes, and even DNA. In fact, DNA is attacked very early in the process.
The military micronutrient formulation, or MMF, is a unique proprietary blend of important antioxidant micronutrients and key minerals to conform to the CQF format. Basically what that means is we have uniquely combined endogenous antioxidants, the kind that the body makes, with dietary antioxidants, those that you get from the diet, and importantly, glutathione elevating agents. Glutathione is your body's most important internal antioxidant. What we've been able to do is combine these in the right dose, the right ratio, the right isoform, and with the proper dose schedule to give you the best biologically available and best biologically effective product. And that's why we get the excellent results that we get with MMF.